Good morning. We're doing a video walkthrough of the 2012 Itasca Ellipse at Coastal RV Center. It's a 43-foot motorhome with a bath and a half. Our staff has put new carpet in this motorhome to freshen it up. It has the L-shaped family couch with the arm that extends. Motorhome has a dishwasher, an expandable island, and is in terrific condition. Table extends. Has a leaf that goes in right there, and we have the spare table chairs in the rear. The residential refrigerator is in wonderful condition and is spotless. This is the front half bath. We are viewing the 2012 Itasca Ellipse. It sells with a king power bed with a very nice mattress. Plenty of storage. This closet also has the extra chairs for the dinette table and the extra cushion for the front couch. Here's the rear bathroom. Stackable dryer, stackable washing machine, power flush toilet, and a very spacious shower. Plenty of additional storage in this large hanging closet. Thank you for your viewing. Coastal RV Center, Charleston, South Carolina. Come see this beautiful 2012 Itasca Ellipse. Low mileage, new carpet, sells with a dealer certification. Have a great day.